सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 141, 14th chapter, 19th verse. आत्मा ह्यात्मीय इत्येष भावो विद्या प्रकल्पितः. आत्मैकत्वे ह्यसौ नास्ति बीजाभावे कुतः फलम्. In this important Swapna Smriti Prakaranam, Shankaracharya revealing the Atman, nature, that which is that illuminator of this entire universe. Illuminator in the sense lending existence and consciousness. OS, that means original Sat, OS, and it gives RS, reflected Sat, Sadabhasa. Original Sat, OS, giving RS to every Nama Rupa is called illumination. This illumination word is most confusing word, confusing caused word, not confusing word, confusing causing word, confusing causing word. In English, confusing causing word. Because illumination, whenever we use the word, immediately we take what? Literal meaning of illumination. The primary illuminator, secondary illuminator. Primary illuminator is like a tube light. Secondary illuminator is like a torch light. Illuminator in the sense, the one who gives the Sadabhasa and Chidabhasa. The one who helps to form Sadabhasa in every Nama Rupa and Chidabhasa in every being, every live entity, that is called illumination. For that example is sun illumining the earth. Sun doing any action of illumination? Sun is not doing any action of illumination. But we use the word sun illumining the, not your sun. Okay, S-U-N, not S-O-N, but S-U-N, sun, not illumining, doing the illumining action. But we use the word what? Sun illumining the earth. There is no action of illumination. Then what is there? Then the presence of sun, earth is illumined. Clear? In the presence of sun, earth is illumined. Why? Sun is self-luminous. Self-luminous. In his presence, everything is illumined, bright. And you have to remember my old lesson. Light, illumination, bright. Light is light in whose presence things are known. Surya Jyotihi. Surya light, sunlight. Sunlight is light in whose presence things are known. Clear? That's why Jyotihi. Similarly, Atma, the primary illuminator, is like a sun who is illumining the world. Means Atma directly can never illumine the objects. Just as for dark room, is so bright. Dark room, closed dark room is so bright. Even an inch hole, small hole also is not there. It is a pitch darkness. Or you can take a cave. A cave is so dark, but it is illumined bright by some mirror outside. You keep the mirror opposite to the sun and focus to the dark room. In the angle you keep like this, sunlight is also falling and it is focusing onto the dark room or cave. The dark cave is illumined. That means things are known. Similarly, sun-like Sakshi Chaitanyam is not outside. Here, illumining the mind like a mirror, illumining the mind like a mirror by forming Chidabhasa. Sunlight formed here. What happened here? Sun Chidabhasa. Reflected sun is formed. Dark room or the cave, dark cave, is illumined by original sun or reflected sun? Reflected sun. Where it is reflecting? In the mirror. So the reflecting sun alone is illumining the dark room by the reflected sun in the mirror. Mirror is borrowing the reflected sun directly from the original sun. Reflected sun formed in the mirror by the original sun. So, original sun, mirror, reflected sun and reflecting, illumining the dark room. In the example, nanna gnapam vechukkanum. Adi madri, here also, original consciousness, Sakshi Chaitanyam, reflecting the mind mirror, reflecting in the mind mirror, Antahkaranam. In the Sakshi Chaitanyam, Chit, original Chit, in the mind formed a Chidabhasa. Chit, Chitaha Abhasa, Chidabhasa. Reflected consciousness. So that reflected consciousness in the mind, what happened? Ahankara, ego is formed. Lower I is born, as it were. Lower I or Ahankara is born. And the lower I, Ahankara, what reflected sun did? Illumining the dark room. Illumining the dark room means what? Making the dark room objects evident. Illumining the dark room in the sense what? Why to illumine the dark room? Dark room objects are evident because of which sun? Reflected sun. Where? In the mirror. Where is original sun? Up above. Similarly, Sakshi Chaitanyam don't look up above. Here, in the body itself, mind mirror, inside, reflecting, Ahankara, reflected sun madri, inga Ahankara, lower I is formed and making the objects in the world, in the body, evident. There dark room, here Jadam. There dark room, inge idella Jadam. Body by itself is Jadam. Mind itself by itself is Jadam. And world objects are also Jadam. How they are evident to whom? They are evident to Ahankara, the lower I, secondary illuminator. Dark room things are evident because of whom? Reflected sun. Similarly, the entire world is you are seeing, experiencing. The experienceability, the knowability is because of this reflected consciousness or Ahankara. That reflected consciousness directly making the objects evident, experienceability, knowability is because of this reflected consciousness, which is formed in the mind, which is known as Ahankara. Otherwise it is called as secondary illuminator. Secondary illuminator is blessed by whom? Original illuminator Sakshi Chaitanyam. I am that Sakshi Chaitanyam. I am that Sakshi Chaitanyam, original consciousness, blessing the mind to form a reflected consciousness through which body-mind complex is evident and world is evident. This is the teaching of Vedanta, over teaching. If you know that you are Sakshi Chaitanyam, I am the adhishtanam of this entire world, including body-mind complex. You are a muktaha. Nama Rupa Prapancha Sarvam is blessed by me, knowable and experienceable, because I bless the mind with Chidabhasa. I am not Chidabhasa. I am not Ahankara I. Mother I, father I, brother I. That is my lower I. I am original Chaitanyam. If you know this, you are Muktaha, Padmasri Vibhushan, Birud title. Okay. Theriyum Swamini, Theriyum, and it has to be soaked into the mind. You all know this. The subject is not different. Whatever you know already, I am just sharing. But this must be soaked into our personality. This is the truth. This is one of the truth. This is the truth. Ever the truth. Ever the truth. This is the only truth. Look into the shloka now. 19th shloka. Atma hyatmiya iti eshaha bhavaha. Not knowing I am Sakshi Chaitanyam who is illumining this mind and forming ahankara, and which ahankara playing that what? Aham, I am, what? I am staying in T Nagar, I am staying in Mailapur, I am staying in Kodambakam, aham, then mama, I am so and so, and I belong to them, they belong to me, mama. Aham mama, atma means ahankara, atmiya means mamakara. Mine, Atmiya. Acharya always why has to use Aham Mama, Atma, Atmiya. Atma, Atmiya. Nanu, Ennudayadi. Nanu, Ennudayadi. Atma na self. Nan. And the lower I vechindi Nananu Cholra. Not knowing. 19 minutes, 18 minutes I have discussed about the topic now. Not knowing that 18 minutes lecture. Person takes that reflected consciousness ahankara as real. That is the mistake what we are doing. Don't commit that mistake. Make use of that ahankara. You have to use it for vyavahara, but don't take it as yourself. That alone you have to do. Make use of it. Eat nicely, enjoy nicely, enjoy the world, look at the world, but don't say, this is mine, I am body-mind complex, I belong to this is my house, my son, my daughter, my body, no mine. Because ahamkara itself is mithya, false. Connected to ahankara, relations also mithya. Where is the question of sambandha? How sambandha is possible? Not sambandhi, introducing. My sambandhi anna. Therefore, yatra ajnanam tatra sambandha. Yatra ajnanam tatra sambandha. Otherwise no sambandha. Daughter relation, mother relation, father relation, brother relation, every relation with all objects also, possessions. Once the relation to come, first you have to invoke ahankara. Without invoking ahankara, identity with ahankara, you can never go further mamakara. So mamakara is coming because of ahankara. Ahankara, if it comes, it doesn't matter. Identity with ahankara, oneness with that ahankara is the cause for problem. That's what he says. Atma, Atmiya iti yeshaha bhavaha. This notion is because of avidya prakalpitaha, not knowing the Sakshi Chaitanyam, OS and OC. Not knowing OS and OC and original Sada, Sat. OC and original Chit. Not knowing, not remembering, not knowing. Where is the question of remembering? Not knowing OS and OC, taking RS and RC, Sadabhasa and Chidabhasa, Ahankara, Mamakara, idella Brahma because of Ajnana. So, when it will go away? Atma Ekatve. Atma Ekatve means this Jivatma is false, and the Jivatvam, that Ahankara you remove, take the Lakshyartha of Aham. Lakshyartha of Aham, I am Sakshi Chaitanyam. How many Atmas are there? As Sakshi Chaitanyam. As original sun, how many suns are there? Only one. When as reflected suns, there are many. As many reflections, so many. As many reflecting mediums, so many reflections. But as many suns are there, how many suns are there? Only one sun. Only one Surya. Similarly, only one Sakshi Chaitanyam, Atma Chaitanyam. In many mind mediums, many Ahankaras are formed. Now, I, the Atma Chaitanyam, Ekaha, Atmaikyam. That, and that body, in that body, in that body, every body, I am only there as Sakshi Chaitanyam. Ahankara is only a reflection, false. Therefore, I need not give reality. It is only for entertainment. Cinema, it is only an entertainment. Whatever happens in that doesn't matter. Okay, but we take it as big matter. It's a big issue, Swamini. It is the biggest issue. Issue. And the issue நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், அனுப்பின மாதிரி நான் பண்ண போயிடும். அவ்வளோதான் ஞானம். ஒரே ஒரு இந்த ஆத்ம ஞானம், ஆத்ம ஏகத்வே. அசௌ நாஸ்தி. Asau means aham mama nasti. Aham also mithya, mama also mithya. This aham mama are born out of me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. Therefore, now onwards, I am not giving importance to aham mama. Therefore, I say what? Idam na mama. Idam na mama. And shalluve anna. So, bija bhave kutah phalam. Where, when there is no bija, where is the fruit? Where the fruit can come? Where there is no bija means what? Where there is no avidya, ajnanam, which is the cause for aham mama, the phalam, the samsara, all these, where they can come? When ahankara is falsified because of jnanam, ajnana gone, bija gone, avidya gone, samsara gone, dukkha gone. Abhayam pratishtham vindate. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka, 20th shloka. Very, very interesting and the crux of Vedanta. Upadesha Sahasri is straight teaching. Drashtrub shrotru tatha mantru Vijñānatreva tadaksharam Drashtradyannyanna tadyasmāt Tasmā drashtāhamaksharam. Very, very important shloka. Acharya borrowing the Brihadaranyaka mantra, I am not the body mind complex. This is the first level of understanding. I am not this body, I am not this mind. Every sadhaka, mumukshu, Vedantic student must know this. Then second level of understanding is this body, mind, what I am not is mithya. That is also important, very important. I am not this body, mind, mano, buddhi, ahankara, chittani, naham. Fine. But this mano, buddhi, chitta, ahankara, body, mind complex, is it there? Really speaking, I have to understand it is not there really. It is there unreally. Therefore it is mithya. That understanding is also very, very important. So Acharya goes further explanation. See, world is real, body is real, mind is unreal, body is unreal, world is unreal means don't mistake. It is unreal from the standpoint of absolute reality, that Brahman. It is less real. We don't say world doesn't exist at all. World exists unreally. Experientially it is there, but it is not absolutely real. Vyavaharically available. உலகமே இல்லை என்ன பைத்தியமா? உலகம் இல்லைன்னு எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? இவ்வளோ பெரிய உலகம் முன்னாடி இருக்கும்போது இருக்கு. வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் தேர். பட் வாட் வி சே, see, for dreamer, dream world is there. But dream world is less real than waker. Dream world is not as much real as this waking world. Is it not? You have seen dream world, dream objects. Can you say, is it as much real as this world? Tell me. You have seen the dream objects, dream persons, but you cannot say it is as real as this waking world. It is less real. In spite of your experience, it is less real than this waking world. Do you say or not? Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this? All of you agree? Huh? Similarly, waking world is there. Waking world we are experiencing, but it is less real from Sakshi Chaitanyam standpoint. From waker standpoint, dream is less real. We don't say dream is not there. Dream is there for dreamer. We don't say dream is not there. Dream is unreal, we say. We say unreal. Today dream comes or not night ke. Thirupi dream varum. Again tomorrow what do you say? Unreal. Ninga unreal and sonnanum dream varada illaya? Nice, no? Even though you know dream is unreal, in spite of our utterance that dream is unreal, today night dream is going to come. Let us expect good dreams. Okay. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, immediately you say what? The dream I got yesterday, it is unreal. Less real than waking. Same way, what you say? Dream is not there. You say or not? Dream is not there. After waking, you say dream is unreal, it is not there. Because dream I saw a lot of money. After waking up, money is not there. Similarly, you are the waker, intelligent waker, said dream is not there. Now the Guru is intelligent waker from the dream number 2. Sishyas are all in dream number 2. What is that? Waking world is less real from the standpoint of Atma, I the Chaitanyam. Guru has woken up from this waking world dream number 2. What is the difference? That dream disappears, but this dream number 2 appears, continues. Now Guru is teaching to the Sishya who is in dream number 2, and Guru watching the dream number 2 and saying this dream number 2 waking world is mithya. It is unreal. When Guru says what it means, Guru says, hey Shishya, from my Sakshi Chaitanyam standpoint, this waking world, body, mind, complex, the wakerhood, waking world objects, waking world transactions, waking world itself, less real. Less real. Sometimes we say unreal also. Sometimes we can say less real. Less real is equal to unreal. Unreal is equal to less real. Is equal to mithya. From gurus, which guru? The guru who has woken up to that absolute reality, recognized that Paramarthika Satyam, who is seeing this dream world number 2, dream number 2, which continues after Jnanam also. The Sishya also must see like that. Yes, Guru. Yes, Guru, what you said is right. Now I have woken up from the dream number 2. And சொல்லணும் ஒரு நாளுக்கு சொல்லணும் அதுக்கு ஐ எம் வெயிட்டிங் ஓகே திரஷ்ட்ரு ஸ்ரோத்ரு மந்த்ரு Now look into the shloka, very powerful shloka. Drashtru means seer, the one who sees, using the eyes, looking at object. Drashtru or drashta, seer. Shrotru, hearer. The one who is hearing is called Shrota, hearer. Tatha Mantru, the one who thinks, thinker. Manta. Vignatru, the one who is knower. Vignata, knower. Tadu Aksharam eva. The seer, the hearer, the thinker, the knower is Aksharam Brahma only. Aksharam eva. Next line. Tat drashta anyat na tasmat. Tasmat aksharat drashta anyaha na. So first line, drashta is Aksharam Brahma. Shrota is Aksharam Brahma. That means hearer is Aksharam Brahma. Hearer is Aksharam Brahma. Seer is Aksharam Brahma. Thinker is Aksharam Brahma. Knower is Aksharam Brahma. Now you are all seeing me or not? You are all seers? You are seeing me? All of you are hearing me? You are all hearers? You are all thinking? You are all thinkers? You are all knowing Upadesa Sahasri? You are all knowers? That means who is seeing, who is hearing, who is thinking, who is knowing is Aksharam Brahma. You said, I am the knower, I am the thinker, I am the seer, I am the hearer. Therefore you have to say what? I am Aksharam Brahma. Who says? Upanishad says. Upanishad says, Shankaracharya quoting. That's all. Aksharam Brahma eva anyaha na. Tasmat aksharat drashta anyaha na. This drashta, the seer, hearer, knower, thinker is not different from Aksharam Brahma. Since I am the knower, I am the seer, I am the hearer, I am the thinker. Thinker is Aksharam, knower is Aksharam, and seer is Aksharam, hearer is Aksharam. Since I am hearer, knower, thinker, seer, I am Aksharam Brahma. Am I different from? No. Drashta anyaha na. Therefore A is equal to B, B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. Drashta is Aksharam. I am the drashta, therefore I am Aksharam. Seer is Aksharam Brahma. I am the seer, therefore I am Aksharam Brahma. Hearer is Aksharam Brahma. I am hearer, therefore I am Aksharam Brahma. Thinker is Aksharam Brahma. I am the thinker, therefore I am Aksharam Brahma. Knower is Aksharam Brahma, first line. Therefore this knower is not different from Aksharam Brahma. I am the knower, therefore I am Aksharam Brahma. I am not Ahankara. I am Aksharam Brahma. Thinker, knower. Thinker is thinker because of me. Knower is knower because of me, Sakshi Chaitanyam. Hearer is, and the ear is common. Seer, ER. Hearer, ER. Endly hear varum. Knower, KNOW, ER. Thinker, THINKE, ER. Thinker. SEER, ER. Seer. Hearer, HEAR, hearer. And the ER belongs to me. Where eye perception is there, hearing may not be there. Where hearing purpose is their function, thinking may not be there. Where thinking is there, knowing may not be there. But I am there whether they function or not. Anyat na asti. Drashta anyat tasmad aksharat na asti. Tasmat ahameva drashta, ahameva manta, ahameva srota, ahameva gnata. Tasmat ahameva aksharam brahma. Very powerful mantra. Brihadaranyaka 3:11. Shariraka Brahmanam, even Akshara Brahmanam also. Gargi Brahmanam we can call. In Akshara Brahmanam same topic comes. Tasmat Drashta Aham Aksharam. Since Drashta is none other than Aksharam Brahma, therefore I am Drashta is none other than Aksharam. So Mundaka and Upadesha Sahasri closely going now. Next shloka. Very simple, but it is very, very important. Who am I now? I am hearer. I am seer, I am hearer, I am thinker, I am knower. But all well you are doing. 4 actions you are doing in the class. Seeing, hearing, thinking and knowing. All these 4 are you are doing. Really speaking, who is doing? Ahankara cannot do by itself. Ahankara doesn't exist by itself. Ahankara is formed because of Sakshi Chaitanyam. So Sakshi Chaitanyam through the mind, through the ears, and it is hearing. Sakshi Chaitanyam only through the mind it is thinking. Sakshi Chaitanyam alone knowing through the intellect. Sakshi Chaitanyam alone hearing through the ears. Because these are all jadam. They cannot do anything. Puriyada? Next shloka we will read. Shloka 21. Stavaram jangamam chaiva drashtruttvadikriyayutam sarvamaksharamevataha sarvasyatmaksharam tvaham. This is called Akshara Brahmanam or Gargi Brahmanam, above mantra. That mantra runs like this. Adrishtam drashtru asrutam shrotru amatam mantru avignatam vignatru iti. That is the mantra. Nanyatadosti drashtru, nanyatadosti shrotru, nanyatadosti vignatru. That is the mantra continuation. Brihadaranyaka care of. Those who have attended long ago, we can remember. Now look into this sloka. That's why from this only we get this mantra. Tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. Because of that Chaitanyam only everything is illumined. Tameva anubhatam. Sarvam bhantam. Everything is evident because of that only. What are all evident? Enumeration. Stavaram, jangamam cha eva. Stavaram means plants. Jangamam, animals and human beings, all moving one. Jangamam cha eva. Drashtruttvadi kriyayutam. All of them have drashtruttvadi. Seeing, hearing, knowing. Even plants also respond, is it not? All those activities, kriya yutam, they are all having activities. Now all of you are sitting here, you are doing what? Seeing, hearing, writing, moving, stretching legs, something or other you are doing. Kriya yutam or not? Kriya yutam. What kriya? Drashtru and seeing, etc. Seeing etc. means what not? So many. நான் 4-5 சொன்னேன், இன்னும் 10 கூட சொல்லலாம், நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கலாம். அண்ட் கொஞ்சம் இச்சிங் மஸ்கிட்டோ இருந்தேன்னா ஸ்க்ரேப்பிங் something or other. Sweating is there, no? Swiping, what? Wiping. So many things like that. Some people have legs movement habit, legs moving. Some people are having a chewing habit, chewing. Something or other. Some people are having a habit of blinking. அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது, எல்லாரும் blinking. Everybody blinks, blinking, breathing, breathing. Drashtrut adi padat, etc. etc. Kriyayutam. Is there eda sandehama? How practical it is, see? All you are kriyayutam or not now? Endowed with activities or not? Activities. Okay. Sarvam aksharam eva ataha. All of them are aksharam only. Ataha sarvam aksharam eva. Sarvasya atma aksharam tu aham. Therefore, drashta, manta, shrota, vijnata, all these, ganta, you can add also. Ganta, walker, sleeper, eater, எல்லாம் ஈஆர் இருக்கு, என்னென்ன இருக்கு நீங்கள் ஒரு டிக்ஷனரி மாதிரி எழுதலாம். பிக் லிஸ்ட். ஈட்டர், திங்கர், வாக்கர், ஸோ ஸ்லீப்பர், ஆல் தோஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் ஆல் ஆர் நத்திங் பட் அக்ஷரம். தேர்ஃபோர் தஸ்மாத் அஹம் அக்ஷரம். ஆல் தீஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் ஆர் டன் பை ஜட சரீரம், ஜட மனசு. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, blessed the mind, formed Chidabhasa, my lower I, my reflection, and I am hearing, knowing, thinking. இப்படிப்பட்ட நான் எப்படி ஆயிருக்கு? சாரு, டிப்ரெஷன், அப்ரெஷன், இன்சல்ட், கில்ட். So many problems. Now tell me, where are problems? Are they in ahankara or in Sakshi Chaitanyam? Ahankara hai hi nahi. Where is the problem? Reflection is real or false? False. Therefore, they are not there, but I am thinking they are there. That is the problem. If they are there really, book close பண்ணி வீட்டுக்கு போக வேண்டியதா. If they are really there, yes or no? Yat satyam tat abadhyam. Whatever is real cannot be negated. Therefore, ahankara problems are not real, because ahankara is not real. Ahankara is my reflection. Reflection is not real. Mirror problem, reflected face problem is not my face problem. You have not, correct? Mirror has got some problem. So reflected face has got some problem, but problem is there in the reflected face. And அது ஒரு கணக்கு பண்ணுவேல, is it a கணக்கable? Accountable? Do you count it? You know, throw that mirror, get another mirror, because mirror has problem. Ahankara has got a problem because mind has got some issues, problems. Mind issues are because of ignorance. There are no problems at all in the world. There are only situations. Now are you free from problems or not? அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. I am free and சொல்லக்கூடாது. Why? Swamini, there are no problems. Where is the question of freedom? அப்படி சொல்லணும். Advanced answer. Normal answer என்ன Swamini? Because of your teaching I am free from problems. இன்னும் வரலன்னு அர்த்தம். எப்படி சொல்லணும் தெரியுமா? Because of your teaching, therefore I am free from problems and sollakudadu. Problems are not there at all. Because ahankara is just my lower, unreal, vyavaharika nature. It is vyavaharikam, vyavaharika satyam is mithya, unreal. Therefore what? Sakshi can happily enjoy this vyavaharika cinema, drama. You have to convert this vyavaharika prapancha activities, interactions into a movie. Otherwise it will move you. It moves you. If you won't convert this vyavaharika world interactions as a movie, okay, it moves you. It shakes you. It threatens you first. It moves you. You become emotional. Too emotional. Because it is moving, that's why emotional. Emotional. Okay. Emotional or emotional something. Sthavaram jangamam chayeva drashtruttvadi kriyayutam sarvam aksharameva ataha sarvasya aham adhishtanam. Therefore aham aksharam eva. I am aksharam only. Aham tu aksharam only. Aksharam anna enna aksharam kekadunga. Alphabet a I U U. And alphabet illa. Brahman, not Sharati iti, imperishable Brahman, consciousness, existence, principle, Aham Asmi, Aham Brahma, Aham Brahmaivedamidam, Purastat, Dakshinataha, Uttarena, Adhascha Urdhvam, I am only. Next shloka, 22. Very interesting shlokas. Simple, at the same time, if you remember the Upanishadic teaching, it is very, very nice. Sthavaram, Jangamam, Sarvam. So, Sthavaram anna, Jangamanna, Gnapakachkanam. Wherever, whatever you see, when I am seer, I am Aksharam. Whatever is seen is Namarupa. Ahankara, through Ahankara I am seeing. Ahankara is my... Swamiji gives a nice example. See, when you bring the sticker, and you stick it as it is, it otikadu. Sticker, appade kondu vandi, you want to stick it, it won't stick. You have to remove the backside and the gum part when they put another paper. You remove that. Then you stick it, then it will get stick. Adu madri, it will get stuck to that only. Adu madri, paper Aksharam Brahma, you the Sakshi Chaitanyam, I am Sakshi Aksharam Brahma, in the Ahankara Mamakara Otti Nirka paper, Pinnadi, Adi Kilchify Pan. Remove that. You remove that sticker, Aham Mama, scrape Panano. Adi Majjal Vichindi, Sakshi Chaitanya Aksharam Brahma, Sakshi Chaitanya Aksharam Brahma, husband, wife, ella comes in the middle. You remove that and Sakshi Chaitanyam Aksharam Brahma correct apade ottikona. When Aham Mama apade remove pannano. And the pinnadi irukra paper remove pannada ottikona. Nice example, no? Adi madri. So namma vidamatam ade. Aham Mama vidamatam. Shastra matra Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi anna. As a Nama Rupa, Vachyartha, I can never be Aksharam Brahma. Vachyartha, Ahankara, I can never be Aksharam Brahma. Only Lakshartha, I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, am Aksharam Brahma. Adida. Okay. Akarya Sesham Atmanam Akriyatma Kriyaphalam Nirmamam Nirahankaram Yah Pashyati Sapashyati. Karya Sesham. akaryasesham atmanam. Means karyasesham means that who is connected to action. Karyasesham means who is connected to action is karta. Karyasesham means karta. Akaryasesham means who is not connected to action is called akarta. Whoever knows this akarta atma aham asmi. Akaryasesham atmanam. What a word you see. Akarta ani sollalam illiyo. Akaryasesham atmanam. Atmanam, whoever knows the self, yaha pashyati atmanam. What type? Whoever sees, whoever knows, whoever recognizes, whoever discover their self. What type of self? Akaryasesham. Akaryasesham, actionless. Actionless. That means non-doer. Akarta atmanam yaha pashyati. Not only that, akriyatmak kriyaphalam. Once I am akarta, I am not able to do anything. Therefore, I can be called as what? Akriyatma. Akriyatma means actionless self I am. Kriya means action. Atma means self. Akriya means actionless. Actionless self I am. I am actionless self means akarta. Akriyavan I am. I am not karta. I am not doing any kriya. Therefore I am akarta. Can there be a phalam? Therefore akriyatma phalam. No, there is no phalam in me, the akarta, because I am not a doer. Akaryaseshamatmanam akriyatma kriya phalam. Once I do kriya, only phalam comes. Since I am not doing any kriya, there is no phalam. Akartrutvat akriyatvat phalam nasti. There is no phalam. Therefore what? Nirmamam nirahankaram. Since there is no kriya, kartrutvam and phalam, phalam is not there. Where is the question of mamakara, ahankara? If I do only, I am the doer, I want to get this phalam. A ritualist ajnani, when he is doing some rituals, I am doing this ritual, I am the performer, I am doing certain activities, kriyas, I want to get phalam. That type of thinking is relevant to that ajnani who is doing, who is a karta, who is kriyavan. He wants to phalam. Since I recognize I am Sakshi Chaitanyam, I am akarta, I don't have any action, can there be a phalam? Since phalam is not there, kriya is there, because kriya is not there. Kriya is not there because I am not a karta. Because of that, can there be a mamakara? Can there be a ahankara? So nirmamam nirahankaram. There is mamakara lessness. I am free from mamakara. Nirahankara, free from ahankara. Ahankara rahitaha aham, mamakara rahitaha. Nirmama means mamakara rahitaha aham. Ahankara rahitaha aham. Iti yaha pashyati. The one who knows this, saha pashyati. He is the one really seeing. He is the one who is really knowing. Seeing means knowing. He is the one who is really knowing. Are you really knowing or unreally knowing now? Therefore, saha pashyati. Shankaracharya says, he is alone really knowing, or she alone is really knowing. Yaha pashyati, saha eva pashyati. Otherwise, pashyannapi na pashyati. Don't come to that conclusion. Pashyannapi na pashyati. Studying years together. Sometimes I blink like this. I say, why? Don't think Swamini has got some problem. The person blinking, when Guru says, you are Satya Nitya Buddha Swarupa Atman, Nana. After blinking, that is why blinking. Saha na pashyati. यह पश्यति अहम अकर्ता अक्रियवान् फलं नास्ति तस्मात् अहंकारापि नास्ति ममकाराः अपि नास्ति इति अहम साक्षी चैतन्यम यह पश्यति whoever knows that सह पश्यति all उपदेश साहस्री स्टूडेंट्स पश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति वा न वा पश्यन्ति नेक्स्ट श्लोक 23 ममाहंकारयत्रेच्छाः शून्या एव स्वभावतः आत्मनीति यदि ज्ञातम् आध्वं स्वस्था किमीहितैः. That's why Acharya says, remain adhvam. May you remain, relax. Adhvam means tishtata. May you all remain like this. Swastaha kimihate. Once you remain as Atma Swarupam, you are Purnaha. I am fulfilled, accomplished what I have to accomplish. Therefore, what else I can desire? Janati, ichchati, yatate. Knowing first, janati, reduction sale. Janati. Then desire. Then yatate. Yatnecha. Prayatnam, desire. Desire is there. Wanting will be there. One wanting is there. Wanting person. I want because of desire. Then because of desire I put effort. Yatnam. Yatati. Janati, ichchati, yatati. First I know, then I desire, then I put effort and I want to get it. Now, how can I desire anything other than Atma? Because really they are not there. They are all only Nama, Rupa, Mithya. They are all Anityam. There is no Sukha in that. In anything, in any object, real Sukha is not there. How can I desire? How can I put an effort towards them? Therefore what? Adhvam. May you remain relaxed. Relax or not now? There is nothing to desire in this world. Oh, desire Varde Swamini. Because you are giving reality to that, you are getting desire. Therefore, appuram kuttu kadikam. You desire and go for it and it won't work, then you will get a problem. Because you give reality to them, you desire. Once I don't give reality to them, I don't see any benefit in them, through them, then what I want? Because I don't want. Because Atman evatmana tushtaha. Atmanyeva atmana tushtaha. Kimichan kasya kamaya sharira manasanjavaret. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate. Purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.